We have done amaretto sours. Now we're going to do whiskey sours. Sours are a style of drink. We're going to add some sourness in there, a little bit of sweetness. We want to go and shake them up and serve them the same way, whether we're using whiskey or amaretto or gin. I've even experimented with a coffee sour. Surprisingly interesting. So a whiskey sour, we're going to start out first with a mixing glass. Remember, we could do it forwards as far as doing our dry shake first and then our wet shake, or we could do our wet shake first, then the dry shake. I'm going to do the wet shake first. Ice in my glass. I'm going to go with 2 ounces of, you know what? I'm going to go with 2 ounces of Canadian rye out of my well. So 2 ounces of rye. When we're making that amaretto sour, remember we just ended up putting in 2 ounces of amaretto and then lemon. Amaretto, very sweet. Rye, not so sweet. Same thing goes with any of our whiskeys, our Irish whiskey, our Jack Daniels. So we're gonna have to add some sweetness in there after adding in our lemon. So I'm doing 2 ounces of rye, 1 ounce of lemon here. Because I put that lemon in there, I need ½ ounce of my sweet simple syrup. ½ ounce of the simple syrup. I'm going to go and shake this up in order to chill everything down. This is my wet shake. I'm going to serve it in a short glass, but I want to go and add that egg white in there first. So strain back into my mixing glass, and then I can go and add 1 egg's worth of egg white, which would be 3/4 to maybe a full ounce of egg white. My egg white I just happen to have right here. This is looking very, very creamy from an egg white standpoint. So let's go and shake that up. So we're going to shake this up like it owes us money. The whole idea is we're trying to whip that egg just like a lemon meringue pie. You want a nice frothy top on there. So nice frothy top. When you have that cocktail ready, you don't even need a strainer on this one because we did the dry shake last. We finished that one off. And we go and take our bitters and give it a few dashes on top there. A few dashes of bitters on top, maybe a nice little pattern going in there. Whether you're using whiskey or amaretto in order to make a sour, make sure you end up balancing out the sour and the sweet. So keep in mind what you're using for a liqueur or what you're using for a spirit.
Start Bartending is an online course covering everything you need to know to confidently begin as a bartender. We will teach you how to make more money by making your customers happy with premium cocktails, efficient drink building techniques, and product knowledge. Go to startbartending.com to sign up for the course that can change your career and create new opportunities for you.